guys, it's Darlene and welcome to my channel. All right, it is Thursday and normally we do keto cocktail, but we're gonna do something different. We threw a progressive holiday party on Saturday, and so I'm gonna share two cocktails that I made. They are not the keto, but I'm gonna share what I did. Let's go ahead and get started. All right, first and foremost, if you're already subscribed to my channel, I want to say thank you so very much. For those of you that are not yet subscribed, hit the subscribe button, that notification bell, that way you won't miss out on any video. So my theme was Pink Christmas, and so my cocktails will reflect that. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay, before we get started, let's go ahead and talk about the ingredients. Gin. My favorite is going to be the Empress 1908 for this particular cocktail. It is such a great gin. If you don't think you're gin drinkers, I have said this before because this will be my third cocktail using Empress, not necessarily the Empress 1908 indigo, which is what we're using today. But I have made another cocktail with that, and I've also used the Empress 1908 with elderflower. They're a beautiful gin. This is what it looks like, you guys. In fact, I have a big bottle coming for the party. You need lemon. You need a honey syrup. I will show you how to make it, and pomegranate seeds. You need a monk fruit sugar if you're trying to stay low carb, otherwise a sugar. And you need, you don't need, but this is my cocktail, a snowflake ice mold, which I will list for you. It makes the most beautiful ice cubes you've ever seen, and there's 6 snowflakes and none of them are the same. And when you make these ice cubes, each one is like a snowflake, different. The glass that I'm using is a coupe glass. This has been chilled. A coupe glass is perfect for this cocktail. These are the iridescent ones, because what's beautiful about the iridescent, it'll pick up any color. The first cocktail I'm doing is an homage to the bee's knees. It is an extremely delicious, very light, and can be a lower in carbs than a traditional, say, than a margarita or a pina colada or something like that. Bee's knees was because back in the day, apparently, if something was really cool and good, they called it the bee's knees. I am doing a holiday version of it, and so that is cocktail number 1. It is not the first thing that people will have, but it is the first cocktail because there is a few steps to this one. So number 1 is we need to make a simple syrup, we need to make a honey syrup, and we need to make, we don't need to, but we're going to. And we're gonna make some fun ice cubes. So the first thing is simple syrup. You guys know I'm gonna use monk fruit sugar anytime I can, so it's equal parts. I just used, and I have it right here in this little saucepan. You guys have seen me, it's equal parts monk fruit sugar or regular sugar to equal parts water. It is cloudy when it starts, clear when it's done. So that's done. Now in this one right here, I have half a cup, I'm going to turn this on, half a cup of water. I am going to add half a cup of honey. Now, you can put your little honey bear in the microwave for a few minutes to make it easier to pour. And let me get half a cup. And what's great is you can make enough of this and it lasts in the fridge for a month. Airtight container. To heat this up until those two things are completely incorporated. Make some beautiful little spirals. So this little tool here is what you need in order to make those really pretty thin, long, gorgeous lemon or lime spirals. Just wrap it around the skewer, because I want really tight ones. And I'm going to hold this here for a second, stir my little simple syrup here, or my honey syrup, and I'm going to put it on low. I'm going to keep this one on low. And There you have it. And there you have it, a perfect little spiral. Okay, you guys, so all I'm doing is taking those little spirals, dipping them into simple syrup made with the monk fruit sugar, dipping them in monk fruit sugar, and setting them to the side. Dip, roll. I'm gonna hold there, spiral. So I'm gonna put them in the freezer. All right, you guys, we have our honey syrup. What I'm going to do is microplane a little bit of lemon zest in that to enhance the lemon flavor. This is one of the best tools, by the way. I've had this, no joke, for probably 10 years. I bought one for my daughter about 10 years ago, and you could see it just does the zest, and that's all we need is just a little bit of, there is more flavor in the zest than any part. This in the refrigerator and just let it cool a little bit. Okay, for this cocktail, I am using a snowflake mold. This is gorgeous. It has 6 different snowflakes. The part that makes this holiday is I am using pomegranate seeds. So first thing is, we're going to add some pomegranate seeds to the molds. Then we are going to add a little bit of dusted rosemary. Again, very Christmassy, and yes, it's dusted in edible glitter. I'm going to show you the array. Today I'm going to use the pearlescent. This is a white edible glitter. It's beautiful for the holidays. So we're going to put that in. 0 carb lemonade. That is what we're filling it with. These are very deep, which is great because you really will only need 1 ice cube. Let me show you what they look like. Ta-da! Yes, they're stunning. They're incredibly gorgeous. I have all sorts of different colors. You could see the pomegranate seeds. They look stunning. I mean, they're just, each one is different, just like every other snowflake. My hands are clean, by the way. Some I did with a cranberry juice, but for our party, I'm doing ones that have the pomegranate seeds. Okay, so let me put these back. Okay, you guys, the first thing we're gonna do is rim the glass. So I have some of the simple syrup that we made. Okay, so I'm only going to rim half of it. And then I am going to take a beautiful pink sugar along the outside of the glass. And see how pretty that is? Now I'm gonna go put this back in the freezer. Now I've pulled our little lemon twills out, and what I'm gonna do is take that pearlescent edible glitter and lightly, just lightly dust them. And I'm going to tell you, wait till you see how pretty this is. Let's see how pretty they are. Let me pull one up. Look how pretty. There. All right, you guys, let's get this cocktail built. Shaker with ice. Empress 1908 Indigo Gin. One and a half ounces. 1 ounce of our honey syrup. One ounce lemon juice. Now the fun thing about this is you guys know that I was making a pink cocktail, and you might say, Darlene, it's purple. I know, but wait, we're gonna add a few little pomegranate seeds, and here's where the magic happens, you guys. Lemon juice. Watch. Yes, magic! Let's put this cocktail together, you guys. All right, first thing, we have our beautiful snowflakes. So gorgeous pomegranate seeds. There's rosemary in there, a little edible glitter, bottom of the glass. Nice big shake. We got our pink rimmed glass. We'll add just a few little pomegranate seeds. And then, of course, right on top, a beautiful twill of the lemon, dipped in sugar, dipped in edible glitter. So let's give this a drink. As beautiful as a drink is, which is a very pretty drink, I'm going to do the side that doesn't have sugar first. Perfect. You guys would never know there's gin in here. If you're afraid of gin, I'm going to say it again. Pick this up. Pick up the small bottle. That's what I did. Then I ordered a big bottle. All right, now I'm going to try it with the sugar. This is a berry flavored sugar. Berries and pomegranate go very well together. It really tastes like a bee's knees when you don't use the sugar, right? Because bee's knees does not have sugar. But I like rimming half the glass so that, one, it's pretty. This is delicious. It screams holiday. If you want to do something unique, try a holiday bee's knees. List everything, glasses, all that in the description box for you guys, as well as the recipe will be in the description box. Perfect. All right, one down. All right, so cocktail number 2 is actually a shot. So that will be what I will serve first. First of all, how cute are these shot glasses? They're pink. They go with the decor. It's fabulous. Let's talk about the ingredients and get this started. All right, so the ingredients are as follows. A vanilla vodka. We need some lemon, of course. By the way, I forgot to tell you, the shot glass is a holiday lemon drop to go with my pink theme. We need some really fun sprinkles. This is by Fancy Sprinkles. You can get them off of Amazon, and they're amazing. They come in a variety of beautiful colors. They've got pink and white and blue, and it's gorgeous. Simple syrup, just a little bit because it's just really for dipping all of the glasses. Pink cotton candy. What? Yes, pink cotton candy. And then some edible glitter of your choice, whatever you would like, that little bit of iridescence. I'm gonna go with the pearl. First thing we're gonna do is rim the glass, and I'm gonna rim all my glasses ahead of time, but all we're gonna do, you guys, is take that simple syrup, dip it in, and this is the easiest way, and then dip it in. That, look at that, gorgeous. So we're gonna set that aside. They will be chilled, so they will hold that glitter on there really well. Next little thing we're gonna do is take a little bit of pink cotton candy. You wanna make sure your hands are dry for this. And in the center, we're just gonna make like a little ball. In the center, we're gonna put a little tiny bit of edible glitter, just a tiny bit. Now you could add pomegranate seeds, you could add anything you wanted between the edible glitter, and then we're just gonna make a little round ball. This cotton candy is super fluffy. And we're going to put it in the shot glass. Like so, okay? 1 ounce of vanilla vodka. 1 ounce of lemon juice. It honestly can't get any easier. Well, I mean, I'm sure it could, but. And we're going to give it a little shake. It's really cute if we put a couple little pomegranate seeds right on the top. or you could put it inside. It works both ways. And there's the pink theme. There is the edible glitter. Seriously, how gorgeous is that? But you know the rule. We gotta try it. Edible glitter will be floating around looking beautiful. You got the top looking gorgeous, and then at the bottom you have those little pomegranate seeds. Here we go. It's so good. This is so delicious. It's just the smallest amount of alcohol. It is absolutely gorgeous. Thumbs up for this one. I will show you how the presentation is. All right, you guys, that's it. Those are the 2 cocktails that I served at our progressive holiday party. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, take a minute, hit that thumbs up. As always, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye, guys.